Welcome to online classes. This is again a 3D session. In this session, we discuss one more bookwork in plane. It is also very important from the point of examination. The bookwork is derive the equation of plane in normal form both in vector and Cartesian form. So don't miss this bookwork. It is very important. Don't miss. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಲರ್ನ್ ಟುಡೇ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಓದ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಓದಬೇಕು. 3D you have to imagine. Yes. So let us consider coordinate system. So O is the origin, OX is the x-axis, OY is the y-axis, OZ is the z-axis. Let us consider a plane. This is the plane, right? This is a plane. Consider a plane whose perpendicular distance from the origin is D. So call this point as N. Origin ಇಂದ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತನಕ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ D ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is D? D is the perpendicular distance from origin. ಈ ಬುಕ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಇಂದನೇ ಇದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್. ಸೊ ON is a normal vector, right? So let us consider a plane whose perpendicular distance from origin is D, and n cap small n cap is a unit vector along ON. N cap is a unit vector along ON, and ON vector. ON is a normal vector. Consider a plane. This is the plane. Yes, this is the equation of a plane whose perpendicular distance. This is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. So call this point as N. ON is a perpendicular from origin. Call that perpendicular distance as D. So what is D? D is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. ಆ ಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು N. ಸೊ ON is a normal. So along ON there is a unit vector is there. That unit vector is n cap, small n cap. N cap is a unit vector along ON. Suppose let us take a point 2, 3. This is the point A. So 2, 3 means here from x-axis O, this is O, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. 2 means origin in the point tanka along x-axis is 2. From origin to this point along y-axis is the distance is 3. That is 2, 3. What is 2? 2 is a x-coordinate. X-coordinate means the distance from origin to the point along x-axis, that is 2. So 2 is a magnitude. Along x-axis I is a unit vector, along y-axis J is a unit vector. Then this vector point A 2, 3, this becomes a position vector. Join OA, that OA called as simple again A, that is position vector. This become 2. X-axis unit vector I plus, okay, 3J. So 2 is a magnitude, I is a unit vector. So in the same way here ON equals D is a magnitude, means distance. N cap is a unit vector. So ON equals D n cap. This is the concept. Once again, let us consider a plane whose perpendicular distance from origin is D. ON is a normal from O. N cap is a unit vector along ON. So let us consider equation ಬೇಕು. Let us consider a point P. Any point in a plane. Join NP and OP. So OP position vector. Any P is any point with position vector R and NP arrow mark N kade. This is ಇಲ್ಲಿ arrow mark main. Okay, once again let us consider a plane whose perpendicular distance from origin is d. ON is the normal, n cap is a unit vector along ON. Therefore ON equals d into n cap. D is a magnitude, n cap is a unit vector. Example 2 idre 2i ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ, 3 idre 3j, because I is a unit vector. In the same way n cap is a unit vector, therefore ON vector equals d into n cap, right? Next, P is a any point in a plane, its position vector is R, join Pn. Here ON is a perpendicular, means normal. ON is normal means ON perpendicular to plane and also perpendicular to NP, because P is a any point. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ O ಇಂದನೇ ಇದು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್, ಯಾವುದು ON. ಸೊ ON means perpendicular to plane, perpendicular to any point. Therefore here ON perpendicular to NP. This is the concept. Yes, consider a plane whose perpendicular distance from origin is d. ON is the normal from origin to the plane and n cap is a unit vector along ON. Therefore ON equals d into n cap. D is a magnitude, n cap is a unit vector, therefore ON equals d into n cap, right? Let P is a any point on a plane with position vector R. P is a any point with position vector R. Then ON perpendicular to NP, because ON is perpendicular to plane and also any point. Therefore P, ON perpendicular to NP, or NP, arrow mark, NP perpendicular to ON. So NP perpendicular to ON, NP perpendicular to ON means NP dot ON equals 0. Their scalar product is 0. Suppose A and B are perpendicular, then A dot B equals 0. In the same way, NP perpendicular to ON means NP dot ON equals 0. Substitute what is NP? NP we don't know, therefore reverse. NP means OP minus ON, arrow mark, dot ON equals 0. Substitute what is OP? R minus ON. ON means here ON is a vector, D is a magnitude, n cap is a unit vector along ON. Therefore ON equals d into n cap. So ON means d into n cap dot again ON d into n cap equals 0. Now simplify. R minus d into n cap dot n cap equals 0. Because d is a constant, so 0 by d become 0. Shift ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, d 0 by d is 0, because d is a scalar constant distance. N cap shift ಆಗಲ್ಲ, because n cap is a unit vector. Now multiply r dot n cap minus d n cap dot n cap equals 0. So r dot n cap minus d n cap dot n cap equals 0. So this is vector r dot n cap minus d. N cap into n cap. N cap is a unit vector. N cap is a unit vector. Unit vector into unit vector become 1. Because we have formula I dot I, dot product. I dot I equals j dot j equals k dot k equals 1. Unit vector, I is a unit vector, I is a unit vector, their dot product is I square agalla mele I dot I 1. In the same way, unit vector into unit vector become 1. So remaining minus d equals 0. Last step, r dot n cap, r dot n cap equals shift d. So r dot n cap minus d equals 0, minus d shift r dot n cap equals d. This is the vector equation of a plane, that is normal form. That's all. Once again, it is very important, don't miss, odlebeku, miss ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. So let us consider a plane whose perpendicular distance from origin is d. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಪ್ಲೇನು ಆರಿಜಿನಿಂದನೇ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್, therefore it is called normal form. So ON perpendicular to NP ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ON is a perpendicular, perpendicular means normal, therefore ON perpendicular to origin also, perpendicular to P also, therefore ON perpendicular to NP. Okay, so D is a distance, perpendicular distance from origin to N. ON is a normal along ON, N cap is a unit vector along ON, therefore ON equals D into N cap. D distance means magnitude, N cap is a unit vector, therefore ON equals D into N cap. Okay, here ON perpendicular to NP or NP arrow mark, NP perpendicular to ON. NP perpendicular to ON means their dot product is 0, therefore NP dot ON equals 0, dot chukki idle back. So NP reverse, OP minus ON dot ON equals 0, OP figure R minus ON here D into N cap dot D into N cap equals 0. So R minus D N cap dot N cap 0 by D shift 0 by D 0. So multiply R dot N cap minus D N cap dot N cap equals 0. So R dot N cap minus D N cap into N cap is a unit vector, product of unit vector is 1, therefore D into 1 minus D equals 0, because I dot I, K dot J, K dot K equals 1, therefore N cap cap N cap, N cap dot N cap equals 1. Dot product of unit vector is 1. Remaining R dot N cap minus D shift equals D. This is the vector equation of a plane. What is R? Position vector of any point. What is N cap? Unit normal vector along ON. What is D? Perpendicular distance from origin to N or origin to plane. This is the significant abbreviation. Same bookwork in Cartesian form. Cartesian form ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ XYZ. Vector form means in terms of R. Formula R dot N cap equals D. This is vector equation. Now we have to reduce this equation to Cartesian form. So R in terms of XYZ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ R ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು, N cap ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು, D ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So what is R? Position vector of any point. ಆ any point ಯಾವುದು? P. Coordinate ಯಾವುದು? XYZ. So let P is a any point with coordinate XYZ, then position vector R equals XI plus YJ plus ZK. That is R. What is N cap? N cap is a unit normal vector along ON. Unit vector, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ direction cosine ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Unit vector ಆಗದಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀ vector ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, if it is just a vector we get only direction ratio. If it is unit vector we get direction cosines. So call those direction cosines as LMN or direction cosines of N cap. Therefore N cap equals Li plus Mj plus Nk. R banth, N cap banth. Next we have formula. We have vector form R dot N cap equals D. Substitute R means here Xi plus Yj plus Zk dot D dot N cap. N cap means here Li plus Mj plus Nk equals D. Now dot product ಮಾಡಿ x into L, XL means Lx. I dot I 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, y into m, my, lx plus my plus k dot k 1 becomes zn means nz equals d. This is the Cartesian form of equation of a plane of normal form. So Lx plus My plus Nz equals D. What are the abbreviation? X, Y, Z, any point? Lmn are direction cosines of n cap. D is a perpendicular distance from origin. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ? ಇಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ, ಕಾಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ. ಆಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಝೆಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. This is normal vector is given. Here Lmn are direction cosines. Here A, B, C are direction ratios. Yes, problem number 1. So bookwork is over. A bookwork mele corresponding problems. These problems are 1 marks or 2 marks problems. So don't miss. Look here. Find the vector equation of the plane which is at a distance 6 by root 29 from the origin, and the normal vector from the origin is 2i minus 3j plus 4k. What they given and what we have to calculate. First understand the concept. Find the vector equation. We required only vector, no need of Cartesian. Yes, at a distance, they given distance. So given what they given? Given d, distance they given 6 divided by root 29. Okay, from the origin means d. And normal vector, it is not unit normal vector. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್. ಕಾಲ್ ದಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಸ್ ಎನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಎನ್, ನಾಟ್ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 2i minus 3j plus 4k. Okay, what is the vector form? We have formula. We have what? R dot n cap equals d. R dot n cap equals d. This is the formula. Now substitute. Substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ n cap ಬೇಕು. Here they given just normal vector. We required unit vector. Therefore take magnitude of n equals magnitude root of 4 plus 9 plus 16. 16 plus 4 20. 20 plus 9 29, that is root 29. Okay, next we required n cap. N cap is unit vector. So formula is vector n divided by its magnitude. Then we have formula a cap. What is a cap? A cap is a unit vector along a. In the same way, vector a divided by its magnitude a. Substitute r dot n cap, r as it is, dot n cap means substitute here. So what is n cap? Vector n means 2i minus 3j plus 4k divided by magnitude n means root 29. This is n cap. Now substitute the value. We have r dot n cap equals d, r as it is, dot. What is n cap? Put a bracket, 2i minus 3j plus 4k divided by root 29. So substitute 2i minus 3j plus 4k divided by root 29 equals d, the given distance 6 by root 29. So this is the vector equation of a plane. Simple question. First, understand. So, illi they given normal vector, therefore you have to take n. If they given unit normal vector, you have to write n cap. That is the difference of unit normal or normal vector. Yes, second problem. Find the vector equation of a plane which is at a distance, the given distance 7 units from the origin. So, given what the given distance? The distance is 7 units from the origin and normal vector. Here is also the given normal vector. Normal vector means vector n equals 3i plus 5j minus 6k. What is the vector form? The vector form equation is r dot n cap equals d. R as it is n cap, we have to calculate d, the given. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ just we have to calculate n cap. The given vector n means normal vector. ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕು. therefore take magnitude. So magnitude n equals root of 3 square 9, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. Now simplify. 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 9 20, 0 2 carry, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, that is root 70. So magnitude n equals root 70. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So magnitude n equals root 70. We required n cap. N cap equals vector n divided by magnitude n. So simplify. So vector n means 3i plus 5j minus 6k divided by magnitude n root 70. Now substitute in the formula r dot as it is. What is n cap? N cap is this one, 3i plus 5j minus 6k divided by root 70 equals, put a bracket, equals d, you have to put dot. This is the vector equation of a plane. Simple, so simple. Just the given normal vector, convert into unit normal vector, write the formula and substitute the given d itself and the given n. Third question, find the vector equation of plane at a distance d equals 8 units from the origin and its normal vector from origin is the given vector n. If you take either small n or capital N. So here the given normal vector, you have to calculate n cap. Then write the formula r dot dot n cap equals d. Substitute, you get the answer. Do yourself.